Hi, I'm Mahantesh. I'm here to demonstrate about the project that we're working on. First of all,
India makes around 1 billion calls per day, and when this came to my sense, ideas were brimming in my mind. By looking more closer, I found that most of the calls were from the call center companies, which makes and receives calls 24/7 non-stop. So I thought of putting it to use. I built a circuit that could sense when a call is made both wired and wirelessly. This was done using dual-tone multi-frequency technology that sensed the different frequencies emitted during the course of call. Later, these frequencies were converted to PWM signals, which is a valid signal for the motor to work. This was done using a L293D motor driver.
in this circuit, the terminal block towards right gives 5 volts to the DTMF decoder and the motor driver, and the other block gives 9 volts for the motor.
The DTMF decoder works on a CM8870 integrated circuit. The DTMF decoder board gets the input from the mobile phone, which is connected via Bluetooth or 3.5 mm audio jack. The DTMF board receives the TTL or Cosmos form of input from the mobile phone when the key is pressed during a call.
This is the L293D motor driver which converts the binary signals coming from the DTMF decoder to the PWM signals for the motor.
The charge controller gets the input from the dynamo which is connected to it. Its job is to stabilize the electricity produced from the dynamo and give up a constant voltage. It also cuts the power automatically when the battery is fully charged. There are three LEDs on board, that is red, green and RGB, which glows when the dynamo produces enough current, that is about 6.5 to 7 volts. The red LED indicates the minimum voltage, the green indicates when there is a load, and the RGB indicates chargeable current.
Here you can see a working model. The decoder has received a signal from the mobile phone and getting converted to PWM signal in the motor driver. The motor connected to the motor driver drives the dynamo producing 7 volts, which can recharge the battery connected to the decoder, so it would no longer be necessary to replace or charge the battery ever again. Or else you could just step up that 7 volts and maybe use it to power a tube light. To step up this voltage, we have made a small but very powerful circuit which could step up the voltage up to 180 volts, which is enough to light a street lamp.
This is the circuit which we have built to step up the 7 volts. We even added a danger symbol because the output is high enough to power a bulb or even a music system.